code lockout.
Yeah, so here we got our venting. This is our intake. Ooh.
And here is what we found. So we're back from inside, outside, inside, outside, whatever way you want to look at it. I pulled that bee's nest out and like still throwing pressure switch code. It will work if you have this open because you're bringing fresh air in. Be looking at here. That's amazing. Bees are amazing. By golly, we got her.
What's the prognosis?
Look at that.
Where was that?
That was just down that same pipe. Further down. Big old pile of them. I'll throw them away in my van.